Give us a narrative there, Chef Boyardee. What are we doing? Huh? What the hell? What'd they come out here and all that crap for?
Put on your headsets. Everybody get ready to ears.
Point it. Okay.
We're going to give y'all a quick class on basically talking drones. See where we look like we ran into contact. And then my gunners will talk you through. We'll split you in half. Half has to go to one, half has to go to the other. And we'll talk that like a fire.
He's recording it with this, right? He said it's on, just point it. There you go.
Gun is ready! Contact! Contact!
Wow. Wow.
Okay.
I forgot I was recording it.
Wow.
I'm sure you'll get your chance up there anyway.
Yeah, now if you guys are ready, just split your crew in half and half. And let y'all have some fun.
You're kidding me.
Nope.
This is awesome.
Make as much noise as you want. We'll get you up there, get you trained on how to be safe with them. Pop off.
Everybody's got a camera. You want me to take a picture of
it?
It was on, right? Just point it. Awesome job.
You gotta take the part. You two gotta take the part.
Woo, that case was hot.
This gun's clear?
Yep. Yeah, just hop on down in there.
That's all the
50 caliber, link belt fed, cool, air cooled, recoil operated, crew serve weapon. All right, go ahead and hop down in there. This casing's hot, okay? That's your safety. That brass is your safety. Now, armor units, they have a physical safety that bolts underneath it, but we just use this, okay? Now, basically what's going to happen, we're going to run through immediate action. When you're rocking and rolling this weapon system, and it stops, click, nothing happens, you're going to pull this charging handle back hard and let it go. And it'll cycle another one in, okay? When we load it up, lift up the feed tray cover, you're going to pull your feed source over, right in here, pull this back a little bit, and seat your extractor claw down in there, close this down. And then when we cycle it, you cycle it one time real hard and let it go so it will charge. Okay, now by the book you're supposed to charge it twice, but we'll just do it once out here. Okay, it's hot, so give it a shot. Yeah, from the side, left to right. Pull it in. There you go. It'll seat, and then punch your extractor claw down there. Just punch it down with your fist. There you go. Slam your feed tray cover down. Go ahead and pull this pin out. There you go. All right, you're going to charge it. When you pull it all the way back underhanded, let it go when it comes all the way to the rear. Go ahead. Hard. Pull it hard, all the way back. Oh, back. It's loaded. That's your safety. Whenever Nick is ready, you're going to punch this out from this side and pull it out that side.
Okay.
And just drop it because there's plenty of brass down here for safety.
Okay.
This gun's hot. When we're aiming, you're going to aim right over the top. Don't even worry about the sight. Aim low into the head scope.
Okay.
Okay, you don't want to hit the concrete because there's a good chance that crap will come back here at us.
Gotcha.
All right?
And the trigger's right here?
The butterfly right here.
Oh, that's what you push down?
You push down. That's a hellfire light right there for when we're operating at night.
Believe it or not, the phrase that pays is killing a family of six.
That's it. 6 shot
That's how
burst.
long you know to hold the trigger.
Yeah, this thing will split apart in half.
So how many round bursts you guys?
6 rounds. 6 rounds.
Yeah,
Yeah. 6 rounds release. 6 rounds release. Just remember, because it's going to want to, when you're rocking, you're going to want to feel like you want to come up. We like to walk the rounds into the target, so you want to aim low.
Okay.
We do not want to hit the top of that concrete, that headset. Yeah, we never shoot over targets. Always shoot low and walk the rounds into the target. Because this stuff goes forever.
You already charged?
We're hot, we're hot.
Oh, sorry, brother. Other way.
Yeah, I shut our turret off so we wouldn't get into that.
How many rounds you want me to?
Hey man, we'll just see how you do. We got plenty here. You're standing on about 600 rounds.
Oh my god.
All right, we're hot. Ready?
Okay, punch this out.
Yeah.
Pull it out, just drop it. And go. Yeah, keep your thumbs away from the butterfly. Punch that in there. That's your safety. As long as you have that brass there, man, you could jump down on top of this with full kit. It will not discharge.
So fucking cool.
Okay, now we're going to clear the weapon system. You're going to open your feed tray cover. You're going to pull your extractor claw back. And you're going to clear your feed source. Grab a hold of the shit and rip it out. Close your feed tray down and underhand it, rack that sucker back twice. Okay, a round just fell out. Now you're going to open the feed tray cover, pull the charging handle back, and look down the side. Weapon is clear. That's it.
Gotcha. Cool. Nice.
Yeah, that thing's still going.
How bummed were you, baby? You thought you were going to come out here.
Woo! Same game.
Yeah, I forgot to say it the first time.
All right, you want to go ahead and stand on the floor? There you go. Same game. Feed tray up. No, don't worry about the charging handle. Extractor claw back. Go ahead and feed it in left to right. Pull it all the way over. Sometimes you might have to pull back a little bit on this to get everything to seat. You want it to seat all the way. There you go, it's seated. Let it go. Push the extractor claw down. Just slam it with your fist. There you go. And that's in. Slam your feed tray down. Charge it hard back. That's good. That's by the book twice. That's cool. It's loaded. Okay, so keep this is your safety. And you're going to punch it out from left to right as soon as they're ready. Okay, the weapon's hot. Punch your safety out.
Ready?
And down into the hole. Whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Go.
All right, rock and roll. Let's do it.
Go ahead and stop. Grab yourself a piece of, it's hot as hell. Woo, it's hot. Stick it in there. All the way. Okay, that's a safe weapon. All right, now don't charge it yet. Open your feed tray cover. Pull your extractor claw back. Pull your feed source. Rip it out. Close your feed tray cover down. Charge it twice. Open your feed tray. Pull your charging handle back. Look down the side. Look down the side of the weapon. Weapon is cleared. That's it. I don't know if y'all noticed inside the turret, if you want to look around, you got your Benelli shorty. That's for crowd dispersion and traffic control. You got smoke, signal smoke, flash bangs, and right in there, 4 fragmentation grenades for up close and personal. Yeah, so we get busy.
So cool, man.
You like that?
Oh man, it's a unit, baby. Yeah.
You like that? Good shit, huh?
It's a thrill to kill.
Oh, did he? But he was having fun.
Hey, and nothing to it. Hey, I love your movies, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, Heat was one of my favorites.
Oh. That was good.
Yeah, it was.
Hey, D.
Yo.
Nice shooting, buddy. We're on close. They had a killer piece out here. I'm going to get one more little piece real quick and then we'll pass out to the other guys. Come on over here, John. Hold on. What a weapon. Get everybody back together.
Give this big one to
Yeah, you do.
Hatesburg.
You get that?
That's my
You
kid.
guys go 70 miles an hour on this
Is that
thing.
about 75?
Yeah, it's got 240 rounds of 5.56 and a bunch of M9 and
I'll try it on. The small little right here. Give it here. Well, that was probably yeah, I'll try it on. Got a little bit of weight.
Is that why you brought that down here?
yeah, if you want to put it on.
It came with my subordinates there.
Yeah, that's extra large. I figure that'll fit you.
Load right there.
Hey, Major, could you show him how to rip the front open?
Oh, yeah. The new one.
Hey,
Yeah, this is the new one. The inbound. Vic, you going to help me get it?
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to get some cool pictures of y'all. There you go. Stick your arms on here.
Yeah, let's go.
And that's full kit.
What you're wearing right now is called a medium body armor variant. Look right here on these ones. This is in case you find yourself in water. As you can imagine, swimming in this would not be a good day. So you snatch this with your phone and pull out and away. It has a cable. Shoulders to the side.
And we'll go on 26-hour hops like that. Yeah, 26 hours in that crap. Right there.
Does that make you mean in it?
Yeah, it kind of make you irritated.
Drowning. Punch out.
It's pretty mean too. And the bad guys have to basically stay away from this stuff. So. Oh, dude.
Come on now. Everybody ready?